If you're looking to build your own affiliate program and you're wondering how to do it seamlessly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to build your affiliate program on PartnerStack. By the end, you'll be ready to set up your own program and start generating passive income with ease. Stick around, because I've also got a special bonus offer for you at the end of this video. First off, PartnerStack is a platform that makes it incredibly easy to set up and manage affiliate programs. Whether you're a startup or a seasoned business, this platform offers a simple, scalable way to grow your affiliate program. And the best part? You can use PartnerStack for free through the exclusive link in the description below, and I'll show you how to make the most of that free trial. Once you're logged into PartnerStack, the first step is to create your program. Head over to the Programs tab and select Create New Program. Here, you'll have options to choose whether you want to create an affiliate, reseller, or referral program. For most businesses looking to expand their reach through affiliates, select Affiliate Program. The next step is all about setting up your offer. Think about what you want to reward your affiliates for. Are you offering a fixed commission, percentage of sales, or something else? You'll be able to set your payout structure here. Remember, setting up attractive rewards is key to motivating affiliates, so don't be afraid to be generous, especially in the beginning. Once your program is set up, you'll move on to customizing the registration process. PartnerStack allows you to create a branded, professional-looking sign-up page for potential affiliates to join. It's a great idea to add your company's logo and perhaps a short video or text explaining the benefits of joining your program. Make sure to highlight the commissions and any other perks affiliates will receive to make the offer more enticing. After your affiliates sign up, they'll need the tools to start promoting your business. PartnerStack provides affiliates with custom referral links, banners, and other marketing assets to make this easy for them. You'll want to ensure these assets are high quality and easy to use. Providing resources like email templates and social media posts can also help affiliates get started quickly. Now, let's talk about managing your affiliate program. PartnerStack offers detailed reporting tools that give you insights into how your affiliates are performing. You can track clicks, conversions, and commissions with ease, allowing you to see which affiliates are driving the most revenue for your business. The platform even allows you to communicate directly with your affiliates, making it easy to answer questions or provide updates. Finally, let's talk about scaling. As your affiliate program grows, PartnerStack allows you to manage hundreds of affiliates without breaking a sweat. You can automate a lot of the processes like payouts and reporting, allowing you to focus on optimizing your program and finding new affiliates. If you've been wondering how to build your affiliate program on PartnerStack, now you know the basic steps. But there's one more thing I want to share with you before you go. By using the link below, you'll gain access to an exclusive extended free trial of PartnerStack, so you can start building your program today and see if it's the right fit for your business. Don't miss out on this opportunity to build a successful affiliate program that can drive massive growth for your business. Go ahead and check the link below to claim your extended free trial today.